Hey there, data lovers. Are you tired of manually transferring your Excel data to Power BI? What if I told you there is a seamless way to bridge the gap and bring your insights to life? In today's video, we are diving into an easy step by step process to export data from Excel to Power BI like a pro. Excel is great for data entry and manipulation, but Power BI takes it to the next level with stunning visuals and interactive dashboards. By integrating these two, you can supercharge your reporting process. Let's see how it's done. Next, open Power BI desktop and click on Get Data. Select Excel as your source, locate your file and choose the table you just created. Hit load and watch as your data flows into Power BI effortlessly. Now is for the fun part, visualization. Drag and drop fields to the canvas and create your first dashboard. See how your raw Excel data transforms into powerful visuals. This is where the magic happens. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to export data from Excel to Power BI. With these steps, you can transform your data into actionable insights effortlessly. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips to boost your data skills. Drop your questions or ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. I will love to hear from you. See you in the next video where we will unlock even more data secrets. Until then, happy analyzing.